Hello YouTube, they're going to tear a house down next door to me, this crap place. Somebody's going to build a new home, they're going to move the garage around. This is that place I showed years ago where the guy had a junkyard. So stay tuned, we'll see what footage we get you. Well, they're not tearing anything down today, but we'll try to keep you updated. At least we gave you some pictures of some nice big construction equipment next door. I feel like a little kid. I grew up by a construction company, so I still get a big kick out of it. So thanks for watching this short little clip.